Yeah, more goodies. But you can't have a bigger turbo. If you can't get the exhaust out, you need to change the downpipe too. Unitronic makes a really nice downpipe.
So downpipe Mark 8 unboxing. It's a hell of a unit.
Beautiful. I mean, it really looks nice.
I think that's really going to wake this car up.
I hope so. Like I said, it's a daily driver. All the way until the time you get up to the next stoplight. Yeah, what I like about it is the way everything's a nice gentle sweep. And I'm holding on to it because I know Steve he'll want to cut the cat out.